Whether you're on the road, deep in the woods, or just at home, being prepared can make all the difference. And with the HONYAO First Aid Kit, you're covered, anytime, anywhere. This compact, lightweight kit, just 450 grams. Packs a serious punch with 200 CE-certified medical supplies. Yes, 200 essential first aid items at your fingertips. You'll find everything from CPR masks to emergency blankets, sterile gauze, bandages, and even iPads. All protected and ready to go, with a long shelf life. Perfect for everyday mishaps or real emergencies. Take it in your car, backpack, camper, or even to the office. Built from durable, water-resistant EVA and nylon, this kit is designed to go wherever you do, from the trails to the highway. And when the unexpected strikes, earthquakes, floods, or sudden accidents, this kit becomes more than handy. It becomes essential. It's not just complete, it's also smart. With organized mesh pockets and room for custom supplies, you can tailor this kit to your family's exact needs. Don't wait for an emergency to wish you were ready. With the HONYAO First Aid Kit, you are ready. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends or family, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more must-have gear reviews. And hey, hit that bell icon so you never miss an update.